impact-free by 2010.
For me to be here with you and to celebrate the 10th anniversary of ITF. I also wish to thank and congratulate the government of Slovenia for its generous support and devotion towards this noble cause. It is, of course, at the end of the day, all about saving lives.
Thank you, Your Royal Highness.
Slovenia was fortunate to avoid a protracted armed conflict following its independence, and thus did not suffer the scourge of mines. Nevertheless, moved by the condition of its neighbors, Slovenia took the lead to assist its Western Balkan neighbors through programs such as the ITF. Thanks to Slovenia's vision